Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our English class. This is Ilyas Hariri. We are going to talk about grade 8, unit 1, getting to Palestine, period 1 and 2, on page 4 and 5. So at the beginning, these are the two pages we are going to take, and let's start with the new words. Listen and repeat the new words.
1. Period 1. Activity 1.
Airport. Attendant. Captain. Complete. Land. Landing card. Passport. Right now. Take off. Word formation. Fly. Flight.
Okay, so we'll start with the new words. The first one is airport, a place where planes land or take off. And here we have a picture of an airport. Number 2, attendant, air host and air hostess. This is a picture of the airport, and we can say the person who help you in the airplane, who gives you the food and drink in the airplane. Captain, senior pilot. Okay, and this is a picture of the captain. We can say also pilot. Okay, the person who drives the plane or fly the plane. Complete, to finish. And here we have a picture of the plane when the plane take off and landing, because we have the words land and take off. Land, when the plane touches the ground, and here we have land when the plane comes back down to land. And we have take off when the plane leaves the ground. Okay, this is landing card and arrival card. This is the card that you have to have when you reach any place or any airport coming from the plane. Okay, and passport is a formal document about a traveler's complete information, a small book that we use it to travel to any place around the world. Number 9, we have right now. It means at the moment. And also we have flight is a plane flying to someone or to somewhere. Now we have an exercise, period number 1, exercise on period number 2 about the new words. After listening the new words, after reading the new words, let us put the new words in the spaces here. Listen everybody and listen and
Period
write
2.
the new words.
Activity 2. 1. A.
I'm thirsty. I haven't drunk anything since we left the airport building.
B. Well, call the attendant and she'll bring you something to drink. 2. A.
Listen, the captain is speaking again.
B.
Well, the weather is still excellent, everyone. And if you look down right now, you can see the Great Lakes very clearly below us.
3. A.
We took off from Chicago 3 hours ago.
B. Yes, so we're going to land in London in another 4 hours. 4. A.
Do I just need to show my passport when we get there?
B. No, you'll have to give them your landing card. They'll need to keep that.
5. A.
How do I complete the landing card?
B.
You write your name and other details, like the plane's flight number.
Okay, so now let's put the new words in its suitable place. The first one is airport. I'm thirsty. I haven't drunk anything since we left the airport building. B. Well, call the attendant and she will bring you something to drink. Number 2. Listen. The captain is speaking again. Well, the weather is still excellent, everyone. And if you look down right now, you can see the Great Lakes very clearly below us. Number 3. We took off from Chicago 3 hours ago. Yes, we're going to land in London in another 4 hours. Number 4. Do I just need to show my passport when we get there? No, you'll have to give them your landing card. They will need to keep that. How do I complete the landing card? You write your name and other details like the plane's flight number. Now, if we come back to page number 4, we have exercise number 2. Look at the pictures on the next page, describe it. Now, here we have 2 pictures. When you look at the pictures, we have 2 persons in the plane and the attendant beside them. And here we have the family outside and the building outside, and they are looking for a plane. Now look at the picture and match the sentence with the picture. Number 1. In picture number 1, some people what? Is taking to, looks excited about, are traveling or can see. Yeah, are traveling on a plane. Now number 2, the woman on the right is talking to a boy and girl on the left. Number 3, in picture 2, we can see a plane outside the building. Okay, and number 4, the boy in the green shirt looks excited about the plane. This is the order of the phrases. Here we have an exercise. Listen and answer the question. Now, after we listen the conversation, okay. Now let's after we listen and answer the question, we have to answer this question after we read and listen to the conversation. Now the question are, who are the young travelers? Where are they going? 3. Who are they going to see? And how does everyone feel at the end? Listen everybody to our lesson.
Period 1. Activities 3 and 4. The Yafawi family usually have their summer holidays in America, but this year, Hadil and Nidal are having a summer holiday with a very big difference. It is 10:30 in the morning on Saturday, July the 10th, and they are taking off on a long flight PF124 to Gaza. Soon after that, they hear the captain.
We're now flying at 11,500 meters, and the weather ahead is excellent.
This is exciting.
Palestine, here we come.
Later, during the long flight,
Are you from Palestine? Well, we're Palestinian American. We're staying with our cousin's family when we get there. We're staying with them for 4 weeks.
we're going home in early August.
So you each need to complete a visitor landing card. They'll take it after you arrive, when you show them your passport. Here you are.
Okay, Here we have some words we have to focus on. Now when we say difference, what the opposite of difference, and what is the synonym of difference, what is the same meaning of difference. Also here we have take off, what is the opposite of take off, and what is the synonym of take off. Also we have exciting, what is the opposite of exciting, and what is the same meaning. We have early, what is the synonym of early, what is the opposite, and we have also arrive, what is the opposite of arrive, and what is the synonym of arrive, the same meaning. This is the second part of our lesson.
At Gaza Airport next morning.
I can't wait to see them again.
Well, they're arriving at 9:30.
And it's almost 9:30 now, so they're coming very soon.
No, they're landing right now. That's their plane.
Finally, 45 minutes later.
Nidal, Hadil, hi. Hi, Rami.
It's great to see you again.
Hello, Hadil. Hello, Nidal. Welcome home to Palestine.
It's lovely to have you here.
Thank you, Uncle Basim, Aunt Nada. It's lovely to be here.
And we don't forget everyday English. It's lovely to have you here, and it's lovely to be here. Now also we need to focus on some new words here in our part of the lesson. Almost, what is the opposite of almost, and what is the same meaning, the synonym of almost. Also we have landing, what is the opposite, what is the same meaning or synonym. And here we have the words. The first one is difference. What is the difference? What is the synonym of difference, or what is the same meaning? The difference, change. And what is the antonym of opposite? Similarity. Take off, the synonym depart, and the synonym, the antonyms arrive or land. Exciting, what is the same meaning? Interesting, and the opposite is boring. Early, the synonyms is timely, and the antonyms is late, while almost is the synonym is nearly, while the antonyms exactly. Land, the synonym is arrive, and the antonyms is take off or depart. Now here we have some questions about our last lesson. Read again, answer the questions. Who do Hadil and Nidal usually spend their holidays with? 2. What are they doing this year? 3. When did their flight take off? 4. How did they feel after the plane take off? Number 5. Who are they staying with in Palestine? Number 6. How long are they spending there? And number 7. What do they need to do before they land? The last one, what time is it when they finally meet Rami and his family? These questions, you have to answer them in your notebook. Now the answers are: number 1, they usually spend their holidays with their family. 2, they are visiting Palestine. 3, it took off at 10:30 a.m. on Saturday. Number 4, they felt excited. Number 5, they are staying with their cousin's family. Number 6, they are staying there for 4 weeks. 7, they need to complete their landing card. And the last one, it's 10:15 when they may meet their cousins. We talk about vocabulary. We have taken vocabulary, page 4 in the notebook. Write them in the notebook. We have taken a question number 1, page 5. Write it on your book. And we have taken question number 3, page 5. This is also on your notebook. Please everybody, do your homework and goodbye.